Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you this tall and skinny journal that I made using Doreen's kit from Oohlala Vintage Treasure, and the kit is Empress, Ballroom, tall and skinny. I almost forgot for a minute there. I'll have the links down below so that you can go on over to her Etsy shop and look at all her digitals. And I know she was having a sale, but I don't know if that was over yesterday or not. You better go check today and see if the sale's still there. But either way, she has extremely good prices on her digitals. So, like I said, it's a tall and skinny. And we've got some blue going on in here today. Hope that you can see the whole thing. We got some dangles there. Hope the camera's not too close. So this is sari silk that I ironed. I ironed most of my sari silk. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Here's the cover. Excuse me. I have lace in the background. I got two actually. One just going around here, and then one's going this whole section. And then I used cardboard back here. It did some gesso on it. And then we got paper bag here, all folded up. Very nice. And this gorgeous, gorgeous photo right here. That's my favorite one. I love it. And then we have a flower here, and we have some faux aged tape there that I did. And as we come in, we have a pocket, a lace pocket that spans the front and the back. And this is a little flower I made using parts of her kit. You'll have to check that out. Make little flowers with it, with all the lace sticking out of there. And a pretty little flower in the center there. And we have this card. And we went with a blue vintage. So these are on cream cardstock, 65-pound cardstock. All of the cards in here. So you have writing on the back of them. This is a writing journal. We do have some spot you can write there, right here. Here's some of that faux tape. And then here we have a little twisted tangle that I added this dangle to. We have some lace and pieces of her kit, some fabric, another piece of her kit. And that can be used in any way. You can take that apart and do some collaging as you're journaling, or you can leave it like that. We have pretty lace. I did do stitching, as you'll see. There's stitching in here. The whole perimeter of the cover is stitched. We have a belly band, and this is authentic ledger paper. I want to say it's 1936, but it's on the other side. We'll see. So we have that is stitched in, and we have all these pretties on here. And that lace just went perfect with that. So that's a little delicate, the ledger paper. It is old. We have this paper clipped in here. And this is a fold out pocket. We have 3 photos in here. Or 3 journaling cards. All with little pretties on them. We have some faux tape right there. And then you have writing here. I didn't want to cover this up. It's really pretty how she did that with the ruffles. We have lace here. writing on both of these pages. Again, this ruffle lace is stitched in. All of this can be written on. We have this with some lace up here, Be Amazed. Some writing here. This is mulberry paper. You can see the fibers in the paper. Hopefully you can in the camera. Isn't that beautiful? This is a coffee filter that's coffee dyed. We have a journaling card there, some lace there. Pom-poms. And then we come to our center and we have some beads going on here. The other side of that coffee filter. Really pretty little bow there. Oops. We have journaling here. The other side of that mulberry paper. I don't know if you can see the fibers in it. Oh, it's beautiful paper. I love it. There we go. Stay simple. Looks good now. Stitched this ruffle lace on. We have beaded dangle here. All with glass beads. Very pretty glass beads. Coffee dyed paper. Ledger. And this is the back of that ledger. We have a journaling card in here that can be journaled on the back. This is May 31st, 1932. And this look at this handwriting, it's just beautiful. It has people's names here. It looks like. And a bunch of numbers. Pretty neat. And then the back side of that, I put washi tape down the center just to help keep it safe. We have some faux tape on here. But it's neat looking at it, looking at the handwriting. So that folds up like that. We have another twisted tangle with some lace, some white lace, and then some blue lace. And this blue lace is so soft. And then parts of her kit, and some more lace. And this is part of her kit. And we have a ruffle here, or a lace here. This blue lace is stitched on. Lots of writing here, and here, and here. And then we come to the back. We have our back pocket with some laces. Lots of pretty bits. Little flower, isn't that cute? And then we have our back with our lace. And I can't see to take that off. Put that back in there. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Again, check Doreen's Etsy shop for her digitals. I know she had a sale going on, and I don't know if that ended yesterday or if it ends today. I should have checked that. But run over there and see. The sale will already be there for you. And I'll have the link down below, which makes it so much easier for you. There we go. Beautiful sari. Little shedding, just a little shedding. Alright, and I will see you guys on the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. She is available, by the way. If you're interested in her, just shoot me an email or message me on Instagram or Facebook, whichever is easiest for you. And there is free US shipping. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye, y'all.